Hello children, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 2, subject English 2, Mulberry, topic Saving the Limit, lesson number 11, part 3. I, Rituvish Ramola, your English teacher, hope you all are good and safe at your home. Children, as we completed the story and question answer based on the story, so today in this video we will do exercises of this chapter. So let's do exercises. So children, let's do joining words but. So children, what are joining words? Joining words are called conjunctions. Joining words join two words or two sentences are called conjunctions. So children, read this sentence. Daju can draw but he cannot write very well. So children, here but combine two sentences. Daju can draw but he cannot write very well. Children, in the sentence given on the previous page, two different ideas have been put together. One is the action that Daju can do. The other is an action that Daju cannot do very well. Daju can draw. This action he can do. Daju cannot write very well. This action he cannot do very well. So, when we want to talk about these two ideas together, we use but to show the difference between what Daju can do and what he cannot do. But is joining word. The children, we usually use but when we want to connect two ideas that are different from each other. Here are a few more examples. Jason wanted to play cricket but it was raining heavily. Next example, Father baked a cake for us, but he did not eat it. Next sentence is, I like bananas, but not oranges. Next is, Sunny came to school on time, but Alok was late. Now children, join the following sentences using but. The first has been done for you. A is, it looked like it was going to rain. It did not rain. So children, by using but, we can write the sentence like, it looked like it was going to rain, but it did not. Next is, I like cucumber. I do not like tomatoes. Children, by using but, we can write this like, I like cucumbers, but I do not like tomatoes. Next is, I go to school by bus. My sister cycles to school. So, by using the joining word, we can write this sentence like, I go to school by bus, but my sister cycles. Next is, a parrot has a short beak, a spoonbill has a long beak. So, by using the but, we can write like this, a parrot has a short beak, but a spoonbill has a long one. Next is, my grandmother likes coffee. My grandmother likes tea. So by using but, we will write like this. My grandmother likes coffee, but my grandfather likes tea. Now children, let's learn silent letters. Say aloud the words honest, knee and wrong. When we say them aloud, we say honest, knee and wrong respectively. We do not pronounce the H, K and W sounds in these words. These letters are silent. So children, let's do the exercise. Here are some words. Circle the words which have a silent letter. So children, here we have words kitten, right, knife, knee, wrist, house, are, here. So circle the words which have a silent letter. So children, circle W in right. So how we will pronounce this word? Right. W will be silent. So circle the word W. Come to the next word, knife. In the knife, K is silent. So circle the word K and we will pronounce knife. Come to the next word, kneel. Then here in this word, K is silent. So circle the word K. Come to the next word, wrist. So in the wrist, W will be silent. So circle the word W in wrist. We will pronounce wrist. Come to the next word. Next is R. In the R, H will be silent. We will pronounce R. Come to the next word. Next is here. Then the here, the word R, the letter R will be silent. So circle the word R. Now children, let's do write well. Paragraph writing. Children, Kanchi wants to tell her friends that we must use tree carefully. Write all that she has learnt about trees in a paragraph of 8 to 10 sentences. Use the word given in the help box and a few ideas of your own. So children, here we have clues: medicine, wood, fruits, carefully, trees, strong, healthy and cloth. Now children, let's write the importance of trees. So children, let's write importance of trees. So children, as we know that tree gives us so many things. Trees are very precious to us. Trees gift us many things. We get fruits, wood, medicine and cloth from trees and plants. So children, we get all these things from trees, so we must use trees very carefully. We should not cut the trees. We must keep planting more and more trees so that our forests are healthy and strong. I love trees because they are so green and shady. Now children, I hope all these exercises now clear to you. Homework time. Complete all these exercises in your Mulberry book. Read aloud the lesson number 11. We'll do the new topic in our new video class. Till then, bye-bye.